Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Appa is having some crab with me, mud crab. I got it from the local wet market this morning, which is very fresh. It's actually they are still alive when I bought it. I requested the seller to kill them for me because I don't dare to kill anything. So after that, I came back and I just wash it, yeah, nicely. Remove the lungs, remove the heart. That is and then of course use a brush to brush off all the anything. Just make it clean, as clean as possible. That's the thing we need to do with the mud crab. So with all this mud crab and then all the roe, as you can you see all the roe? And this humongous claw, not hand but claw. I'm going to steam it. Initially I'm thinking of making it into a seafood porridge, but I think now I decided to steam it. And I also bought a few pieces of, this is clams, yeah. I'm going to steam it together. They also, the seller also sell clams, so I just buy it together. Let me readjust. All right. Next thing, I'm going to put on a lot of ginger slices on top. Some fine salt. Ooh, I think I accidentally cut a bit of my finger just now when I was trying to clean the crab, which is very normal. Few dishes of Vietnamese premium fish sauce. And some Shaoxing wine for those who don't mind taking alcohol. So this is yellow Shaoxing wine steamed crab. Oh, you can add in a little bit of water if you like, up to you. And it is ready for my steamer. All right, so first you preheat your steamer. After that, put in the crab. And I will steam it for approximately 5 to 8 minutes. Wow, look at all the clams. This is definitely umami overload. The whole plate. Wow. Look at this. Can you all see? Right, so here's my steamed crab and also the clams. I'm going to garnish it with some yellow rice wine, Shaoxing wine actually. I don't always steam crab, so still it's going to taste really good. We are going to eat it with some chili padi and soya sauce. All right, so my very umami steamed crab is with yellow rice wine or Shaoxing wine is ready to be served. I hope you like my very simple video today. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow up on the Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.